church first.
What?
Ay, baka sa lagi sa iyo.
Stunt test take 1.
Church? Don't ever say that to go to church. Duh!
Oh my God, ang pala na yung English.
Stunt test take 1.
What? Church? Don't ever come to... Ay!
Stunt test take 1.
What? Church? Don't ever come with that church. Duh!
Guys, look. Oh, she's so pretty. Yes. Her hair is
You're
so
insecure.
Don't know what for. You turn it. Eh, dadag. Wala pa. Let's go. Yuri! We're running out of time. Cut.
Yours, what's our ulam?
Pala.
Pala.
Go. Are you okay? Okay, at me. 1, 2, 3, go. Pero. Wala naman go. 1, 2, 3, go. Peel. Banana. Peel, banana.
Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go.
Don't say that. No!
Dili na ipakita tama si Cheryl, gamay lang, half lang. 1, ready, go.
Don't say that. No! That you want to show!
Laro biya ka diri adoy. 1, 2, ready, go.
Don't say that. No! That's what you want to show. Yun naman talaga gusto mo, di ba? Namamamatay ako sa uhaw.
Go na mo. Okay. Ay.
Sige. Baliktad.
1, 2, ready.
Ay, sanay na. Ay, sige rin. Ay, gusto mo. Sige. Papili ka. Sige. Ay, pakita ang samad. Ay na. Focus na lang. Go. Guys! Uy, ka.
Bala. Tigdira na siya. Rigo.
Ay, kami na dito na. Anak na sa
Rigo.
Yara? Ano kay Cheryl dahil?
Si Cheryl ra.
You're talking nonsense, madam.
Rigo. Kamu na tanan.
Good man.
Ang isa